Okay, welcome back. So part 3 of this question: how many miles will Peter drive in total from his home to the wedding if he uses route 2? Now we can see this is a 3-mark question, so they want to see working out. So we need to find out how far he's going to travel with route 2. So if we go to the resource booklet, route 2 excuse me, from the M25 he takes this route through to junction 24. So from the M25 to junction 24, we know that we should add these distances together. So that will be our first part of the job. So we would have 4 plus 85, if you excuse me, so I keep jumping backwards and forwards. So we have 33 plus 15 plus 3.5. So we add these all together, so we can use our calculator for this. So we would have 4 plus 85 plus 33 plus 15 plus 3.5, and that would give us an answer of 140.5 miles. Now this question emphasizes the fact that you need to make sure you read everything on this resource paper. It tells us that we're going from route 2 from the M25 to junction 24. But if I scroll down, we have the map, and we can see here that the wedding venue is just slightly outside of that junction, and the man's home is just outside of the M25. So here we can see that if Peter leaves his house, it's a 10-minute journey to travel 2 miles from his house to the M25, and then 15 minutes to travel the 5 miles from the M1 junction 24. So we have to add 2 miles to the distance so that he can get to the M25, and also 5 miles from when he leaves junction 24 to the venue. So we go back to our question and we add the 140.5 plus the 5 miles at one end of the journey plus 2 miles at the other end of the journey. So we add this together and we get 147.5 miles. So our answer would be 147.5 miles. So that answers in full detail the question that from his home to the wedding he would use route 2, but he would also have to travel these 2 distances as well. So this answers the question fully, and that will give us the full 3 marks. Okay, so it's just a question of reading the information first, making sure you've got it all sorted out in your head, and then just writing it out step by step. Okay, so I'll turn